everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a diamond painting unboxing for you. There's, it looks like 2 in this box, does it say? It says 1. This is a, I don't know. There's definitely 2 boxes. Isn't that weird? We shall see. BB's sitting over there behind the camera, overseeing. She's got to make sure I'm safe. No one is attacking me. There's no noises around the house. She likes it quiet. I always said she would make a good alert dog because we live on a pretty busy street, but we are behind an office building. And so, luckily, she can't hear all the trucks and things. But when she does hear a truck, oh boy. The delivery guy comes. She goes nuts. Like she's going to rip his throat out, which is so funny. Because she's so tiny. She is, when we got her, she was under 2 pounds. Now she's 5 pounds. That's it. You know, good kick would do her in, so people don't get too scared. All right, so we have 2 boxes here. Let's see. There we go. There's a diamond painting. Tools, drills. There's definitely 2 diamond paintings here. I'm not sure why the package said 1. But here we go. I save those boxes till I have too many, and then I crumple them up and throw them away. Except for the Ever Moment boxes, those get kept. Listen to me. Oh, you're looking at my closet. Isn't that nice? Here, let's see if I can show you. That's my stash. See that pile? That's all my diamond paintings. Someone asked me to come clean. Tell them how many I had. And all I could say was, I have no clue. I really don't. I think it's about 100. That's my guess. But I don't know for sure. I give them away. I give them away as gifts and contests. I am giving them away for Christmas. I don't know. I don't know how many I have. I don't count them. They make me happy, and they are what I buy. Okay, this one is Harry Potter. I see a book and a candle and a moon and an owl. Let's see if I can, there it is. That's the image. Let me put the picture up so you can see a good version of it. Oh, it's Harry Potter's book and his glasses on it. There's a lot of colors. Get you all the information. There are 40 colors. It is a 45 by 60 full drill round. Wow. 58 packages of 310. Woo! That's what they should give us information on when we buy diamond paintings, is how many packages of 310 there are, and let us decide if that's what we want to do. And some companies hide it by using 939, which is in the blue family, instead of 310. I think it's in the blue family. If I say stuff that's wrong, please correct me. Add it to the comments. if it gets to be a lot of piddly stuff and you're just showing that you know more than me, I may block you. But, you know, there's all sorts of people out there. I don't deal with haters or people who just want to be mean because, you know, I've had enough meanness in my life and I'm done with that. I've been mean in the past and I try not to be. It makes me sad. Oh, this glue loves to stick to the paper. I think that was my first exposure to someone being mean in the diamond painting world. I went straight to a Facebook group the first time my glue stuck to the paper and said, I don't know what to do. What do I do? And that's a valid question, you know. Never done it before. You don't want to ruin something that you paid money for. And I think somebody wrote, all he wrote, it was a guy, I remember. All he wrote was, seriously, with a bunch of exclamation points. I was like, what? Was that a dumb question? Was that, no, I thought this is where you ask questions. I didn't get it. Everybody set him straight. That's not a dumb question. If it's never happened and it's gonna happen, then that's a question you ask. So don't be afraid of people being, you know, rude to you. Just ask your questions. There are no dumb questions. We are all new at one point, and I still feel like I'm a newbie. Okay, so I peeled up all 4 corners and now it's gonna lay flat. This is the other thing I was afraid of at the beginning, was peeling the paper off. There you go, that's what it looks like. Really cool Harry Potter image. Oh, that's most of it. Let me see. There you can see the book and his glasses. I really like this one. It's really gonna look nice framed. I like the candle glow especially. And so that'll lay flat in up in my closet. I will do the inventory on the drills. Look at all these dark colored drills. Wow. This dark purple. Yeah, I'll do the inventory and I'll put a note in the description if they're all there. That's a project and a half, sitting here counting bags of drills. I know my husband loves it, but I do it sitting in front of the TV, and forgot to put this in. So again, it's a 45 by 60 full drill round. Really nice. It looks good. The canvas is nice. Nothing wrong with it. The glue is sticky. The symbols were clear. I could read them. If you have trouble reading them, get yourself a light pad. They're not that expensive. My first diamond painting, I spent most of it holding it up to the light each time so I could see the symbols. Oh, we have another one. Let's check the other box. Let's get them both done. I'm a little concerned that they lied to customs and said there was only one. But, oh, look, there's 2. Okay, this one, oh, flowers. They look like little violets in a teacup. Can you see that? I will put the picture up. How many colors does it say? Let's see what we got in here. Wow. It's a 40 by 40 full drill round. There's the image, even though I already put the picture up for you. That is pretty. I love the little teacup. Wow. Okay, this company really packages things up nicely. I want to see how many colors there are. And I don't want to count them. 36 colors. And oh my gosh, look at that. That's by far my favorite color right there. What is it? 210. I need to remember that. Wow. Pretty, pretty purples. And then the teacup is so pretty. It's like got gold on the bottom of it. I'll be interested to see how they mix the colors to make that gold band on the teacup. Standard toolkit. No battery. Here we go. Standard toolkit. We've got white boat with a funnel, pink wax, bags, pink single drill pen, and tweezers. Wow, I'll be interested to see which company this is because it's great. Oh, I see. They used like a brownish, goldish color. And then to make the glow of the gold, they used a lighter orangey color. That's gonna be beautiful. Oh my God, these little pretty little violets. Look how pretty. Very clear symbols. Very busy because it's all confetti, all of it. There's a little bit of background, but even that has got 4 different colors in it. So, wow, this one's going to be up at the top of my list to do because it's just beautiful. When I started diamond painting, I did one. And then I did a second one. And I said, I'm not going to start. I'm going to finish one before I start the next one. That's going to be my rule. Well, here we are, 10 months later, and I've got 3 diamond paintings going right now. My husband laughed at me when I started the 3rd one. He's like, are you ever going to finish any more? But that's okay. It makes me happy. I can choose which one I want to work on. Just remember, there's no wrong way. There's the way you like. So do it however it is you want to do it. As long as it's making you happy. There's no rules, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. Just have fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'll put all the information in the description about these 2. They're just beautiful. And you have a great day and happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye. Everybody's pretty. Phoebe has a bow. Charlie looks cute. Charlie, look over here. Hey, puppy. Little man. They're so happy to not be at the groomers anymore. Phoebe has a green bow for St. Patrick's Day. Yes.